Hey, my name's Jordan, and I wanted to make this quick video for Joy. Um, she's been absolutely incredible, and I know that that's a vague statement, but let me dive into that a little bit. So I've been working with her on Go High Level for I guess maybe about 8 months or maybe a year now, and she's taught me an incredible amount. But I had a conversation with her tonight regarding ChatGPT, AI in general, and really just from a conversational AI perspective. When I tell you that my whole definitive outlook on AI is different and ChatGPT is different, um, it's almost like, if I had never seen a vehicle, a modern day vehicle before, and someone said, oh yeah, you can press these pedals to make it go, but it's also got lights, it's got a radio, it's got Bluetooth, it's got an LCD screen, it's probably got air conditioned seats or heated seats, it's got a third row, it's got a trailer hitch so you can pull stuff, on and on and on. That is the um the light bulbs that have gone off for me tonight just based off of this one conversation. So if you are at all considering working with Joy, um don't even give it a second thought. Don't even give it a second thought. Dive right in, and you will be amazed at how much passion, how much knowledge, and how much productivity and insight she is able to provide you in just one or two short conversations. So I hope this was helpful, and I cannot wait for my next conversation.